Hold onto your hats, web managers and SEO enthusiasts. Google is shaking things up again. In a move that's sure to spark debate, Google is testing a direct link from its search results to its AI mode chatbot. This means users can dive into a conversational AI experience without ever leaving the search page. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this shift further erode website traffic, as users rely more on AI summaries and less on external links? Let's break it down. Google's latest experiment, as shared by Search VP Robbie Stein, https://rmstein/status/rmstein/status/1995572911093289055, aims to make searching more intuitive. When users tap Show More on an AI overview response, a new Ask Anything prompt appears at the bottom of the screen. Follow up with a question, and you're seamlessly transferred from traditional search results to Google's AI chatbot window. The goal? To let users ask complex questions without worrying about where or how to phrase them. Stein explains, this brings us closer to our vision for search. Just ask whatever's on your mind, no matter how long or complex, and find exactly what you need. Sounds convenient, right? But here's the catch. Research suggests that when users see an AI summary, they are significantly less likely to click through to external sites. https://www Pew Research short reads Google users are less likely to click on links when an summary appears in the results ref equals m/echo. With this new test, even more detailed AI responses could mean fewer referral clicks for websites. For SEO professionals already grappling with the unpredictability of search traffic, this adds another layer of complexity. Google, however, pushes back against this narrative. In August, the company reported that organic click volume to websites hasn't dropped significantly due to AI overviews. https://www.socialmedia.com/news/re-news-from-not-impacting-overall-referrals-from-search/7577021. Instead, they claim, average click quality has increased, and we're sending slightly more quality clicks to websites than a year ago. By quality clicks, Google means users who stay on a site longer, indicating genuine interest. So, in their view, AI summaries are enhancing user engagement, not hindering it. But here's the part most people miss. If AI mode becomes the go-to for answers, will users even bother clicking through to external sites? Or will they simply rely on chatbot conversations? This test seems to lean toward the former, potentially making SEO efforts even more challenging. And this raises a bigger question: are we witnessing the gradual shift from traditional search to AI-driven interactions? For now, this is just a test, but it's a significant one. What do you think? Is Google's AI integration a step forward for user experience, or a threat to website traffic? Let's debate this in the comments. I'm curious to hear your take.